friends, my name is Vaibhavi Gupta. Today I will tell you how to make garlic bread. So without wasting time, let's get started. So let's start. First we will take one bowl. We will add 3 spoons of butter in it. We will melt the butter little bit, and after we melt the butter, we will add crushed garlic. After we add crushed garlic, we will mix it well and add freshly chopped coriander. Mix it again and then add 1 spoon of oregano and mix it. After that, we will add a pinch of chili flakes and your garlic paste is ready. Now guys, we will take a slice of bread and a scissor and cut it into 3 pieces. Now you have to cut all the breads into 3 pieces, and then we will spread the garlic paste on the bread. After we spread the garlic paste on the bread, we will take a pan and roast the bread on the pan, and we will roast it until it gets golden brown in color. Now you can see the downside of the bread is golden brown in color. So we will roast it like this and till it gets golden brown in color. And now you can see it's crispy and crunchy. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment in the comment section below.